It's Kitchen Courses with Kate and Eric. So, cupcakes.
Cupcakes. Hi, Eric.
Hi, Kate.
We are on the 4th D for February in preparation for St. Patrick's Day. And we are making what?
We borrowed a recipe. They're called Irish cupcakes. Perhaps not the most culturally sensitive name.
We're breaking a lot of my rules for this month.
So, maybe we'll just call it, I think.
I just want Boy Meets World, but those are other. Those are. It's BMW. Anyway.
The Boozey Ganache whipped up cupcakes.
Yes. So there's tell them about the three. So there's almost 3 layers to these cupcakes.
So you make a chocolatey cupcake that
has Guinness
in it.
Chocolate Guinness cupcake. Yep.
And then you're gonna whip up a whiskey chocolate ganache that goes into the cupcake. And then you're gonna put together a buttercream frosting that has Bailey's in it. And so you make the cupcakes, let them cool, hollow them out, use a cupcake or treat core or an apple core, add the ganache, and then pipe on some of the Bailey's buttercream frosting.
So for all of you out there who are like me and have never used a piping bag, this is your opportunity to buy one, because Eric did not allow us to make these cupcakes for dessert without the piping bag to make the buttercream frosting look beautiful.
They needed to look pretty for the camera.
Yeah. So that's all Eric. Yeah. So I think the breaking down the recipe step by step on camera is a little too complicated.
Yes.
So you'll have to, you can check out the directions that are in the area below, right?
Yes.
And then we'll also link to
the description below. The recipe we're borrowing from left the buttercream frosting just the Bailey's creamy color, which then sort of looks like a Guinness on top of the cupcake. We elected to...
Looks like Bailey's on top of the cupcake.
But I mean, like a Guinness head is sort of that same color.
Oh, I see what you're talking about.
Yeah, so it ends up looking like a beer, but
I love his design eye.
We elected to add some green to the frosting to give it a little bit more of that visual Irish kick.
Yes. The green kick.
The green.
That we all associate with St. Patrick's Day in this country. Yeah.
We're Americans. America.
U.S. Americans, yes. Yes, we are.
So, cupcakes are a tasty treat. Maybe not necessarily to go on top of a corned beef hash brunch item, but you can have them.
Oh, why not? I would
You might want to wait an hour, not just throw it in right on top of it.
No. That's why I'm saying in the corned beef hash episode I mentioned fruit. Add some fruit to the mix, because if you want to end with these cupcakes, they are the most amazingly decadent and really yummy things. But there is a great deal of butter throughout.
And alcohol.
Yes.
So much butter. You will see in the video, we halved the recipe to make a dozen instead of make 2 dozen.
You did.
But the recipe will make 2 dozen. But because we're not throwing a party,
Sadly,
we didn't feel the need to have that many cupcakes lying around.
No, we didn't want to have
that much butter and alcohol in them.
No. But enjoy. Is this one of the first ones that we've baked something?
Aside from the cake pops, which wasn't really baking for the purposes of the cake pop.
Right.
Yes.
Wow. Yeah. I'm not a baker, but Eric is slowly helping me find my way in the baking world. I appreciate that.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Yay.
Yay.
Cheers. What's the...
Chin chin. Oh. I forgot already, and I'll butcher it, so.
Okay. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Okay, bye.